Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this set of white bar stools for viewing purposes. They've come really well protected with foam and everything, which I think it's really great. That way they don't get damaged. They have a moderate backrest angle and have a really beautiful minimalist design, and they come with everything that you need to assemble them, which I think that it's nice. It also comes with some spare screws, so you don't have to worry about anything. The seat cushion is made with a PU leather material that it's thick, and I think it's nice because the overall seat it's really perfect for different people to use because it's really comfortable to sit on, and additionally it's really easy to clean it. These Barstools are really stable because they have a 16.3-inch larger base than the regular ones, and it has a gas lift that you can adjust to any height that you want, which I think it's great, and it has a really comfortable footrest. Another thing that I like about these Barstools is that the assembly process is really simple. It doesn't take that much long, and the main unit uses only 4 parts, which I think it's nice. We have the instruction manual with all the steps, instructions on how to install it. So let's go. The instruction manual is really simple, and all the steps to assemble the proper bar stools are really simple. You don't have to worry about almost anything. And if for any reason you don't find one screw, as it has some replacement, you can still be able to assemble these bar stools, which I think it's really great. And as you can see, all assembled up, I think they are perfect for whenever you want to place it or use them in a bar, in your countertop like this. I like that you can adjust the height of it up to 10 inches, which I think it's nice. They have a really nice height by themselves, but having this extra 10 inches, I think it's gonna be really nice. And overall, I like them a lot. They are really perfect to however you want to place them. They are nice, stable, comfortable, and I will really recommend them.